Hi, and welcome back. So far in our case study, we have arrived at the point of having a ready database sheet and a raw version of the P&L that we will use. On the row above, we will have the currency and its measurement. For example, in euro, euro in thousands, euro in millions, etc. In our case, we will type euro in millions. The years under consideration are FY16, FY17, and FY18. I believe that it is key to format files as clearly as possible. Good formatting always helps external users to become familiar with the file faster. In your work, you will often find out that formatting plays as important a role as the content itself. In order to make the sheet easier to understand, I'll suggest introducing some borderlines. We can do that by right-clicking with the mouse, selecting Format Cells, and then choosing the fourth window, named Border. Here, we can use a color other than black in order to differentiate our title formatting from the rest of the data. So let's select dark blue, for example. Okay. I'll choose the thicker border for the same reason as before. We need to differentiate the title from the rest of the data. Let's give a dark blue color to the text of the title as well. And an additional emphasis will come from putting it in bold. Let's choose a different formatting for the various subtotal lines as well. After we have created the formatting for the first subtotal, we can paste it to the others by using Paste Special formatting. Okay, that's better. Given that EBITDA is a very important measure, we could consider emphasizing that by giving it a different color. Let's format net income in the following way and put it in bold. Okay. Now, something which irritates my eye is that the titles FY16, FY17, and FY18 are aligned to the left. The numbers should be usually aligned to the right. I know that these are small details, but their systematic application will significantly enhance the output of your work. Let's create the sums within the P&L. Given that revenues are positive and costs are negative in our database, we will only need to sum here without subtracting anything. The next step will be to populate the sheet with the numbers from the database. Thanks for watching.